Hello, my name is Renzi Belhash. I'm a concept artist, graphic designer, visual artist, and a lot of other things. I have 20 years experience in the field of graphic design and art. I worked with many brands and with many clients. As a human have inherent appreciation of shapes and pattern and rhythm. I create visuals with code because I'm interested in the structure behind the things we find aesthetically pleasing. Experiment with creative code and never gets bored. There is always something to explore, new technique to learn, or a new image to create. I merge my interest in motion graphic and visual with programming so I can develop, draw, and animate anything with code. I have used many programming language, but my current favorite is JavaScript. It's easy to pick up, it's flexible, and it's suitable for quick small projects and for big ones. In this awards course, we will learn programming fundamental by creating visual with JavaScript. For the final project, you produce a series of a visual composition with a code that can be implemented on a web browser. To get started, I will show you how to set up a text editor and how to run code in a browser. I will then teach you some basic concept of a JavaScript, such as variable function, array, and loops, always using examples and drawing visuals along the way. We will start from a simple setup and then move on to the environment for sketching with code called Canvas Sketch. After that, we will create visual using rotation and arcs, and then proceed to an animated sketch with the moving agents and line. I will also show you how to export your artwork as an image and video. In the next step, we will look at creating grids using noise and making our own control panel with a slider to tweak values in real time. Then I will show you how to work with text in a creative way and how to read color values from pixel of an image. In the second part of our course, which is the most advanced, we're gonna work with first compositions. We will start from a simple rectangle and building up to geometric pattern. We will learn about color palette, blend modes, and clip and masks. Then we move on to curves. We will start with a single quadratic curve followed by seamless one through multiple points. In the process, we will also cover cursor interaction and color mapping. And the third sketch, we will produce an audio visualization. I will teach you how to play sound files, read their data, and use frequency to drive an animation. And for the last composition, we'll play with the particles. We will set their velocity and acceleration, make them react to the cursor. We will also learn how to set their colors based on images. Finally, we will wrap up with a few extra tips and tricks. By the end of this course, you have a bunch of technique under your belt to carry on and develop your own composition. To get the most out of these lessons, it's best if you are familiar with JavaScript or similar programming language. Write code and build your own structure to create something beautiful. Welcome to the class and I hope you enjoy it.